There are many different groups of wild animals that can be found in various habitats around the world. One common group of wild animals is mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded vertebrates that have hair or fur covering their bodies. They give birth to live young and nurse them with milk produced by mammary glands. Some examples of mammals include lions, elephants, and bears. Another common group of wild animals is birds. Birds are warm-blooded vertebrates with feathers and wings. They lay eggs and have beaks for eating. Some examples of birds include eagles, owls, and penguins. Reptiles are another common group of wild animals. Reptiles are cold-blooded vertebrates with scales or scutes covering their bodies. They lay eggs and have lungs for breathing air. Some examples of reptiles include snakes, turtles, and crocodiles. Amphibians are also a common group of wild animals. Amphibians are cold-blooded vertebrates that typically have moist skin and lay eggs in water. They undergo metamorphosis from a larval stage to an adult stage. Some examples of amphibians include frogs, toads, and salamanders. Fish are another common group of wild animals. Fish are cold-blooded vertebrates that live in water and have gills for breathing. They lay eggs and have fins for swimming. Some examples of fish include sharks, salmon, and clownfish. Insects are a very diverse and common group of wild animals. Insects are invertebrates with 3 body segments, 6 legs, and usually 1 or 2 pairs of wings. They undergo metamorphosis from a larval stage to an adult stage. Some examples of insects include butterflies, ants, and beetles. Arachnids are another common group of wild animals. Arachnids are invertebrates with 2 body segments, 8 legs, and no antennae. They typically have silk-producing glands and fangs for injecting venom. Some examples of arachnids include spiders, scorpions, and ticks. Crustaceans are a common group of wild animals found in aquatic environments. Crustaceans are invertebrates with hard exoskeletons, jointed legs, and 2 pairs of antennae. They typically have gills for breathing and appendages for feeding. Some examples of crustaceans include crabs, lobsters, and shrimp. Mollusks are another common group of wild animals found in aquatic environments. Mollusks are invertebrates with soft bodies and usually a hard shell. They have a muscular foot for movement and a radula for feeding. Some examples of mollusks include snails, clams, and octopuses. Finally, there are also many different groups of wild animals that do not fit neatly into any of these categories. These animals may have unique characteristics or behaviors that set them apart from other groups. Some examples of these animals include echinoderms, cnidarians, and sponges. Overall, the world is home to a wide variety of wild animals, each with its own unique characteristics and adaptations. By studying and understanding these different groups of animals, we can gain a greater appreciation for the diversity of life on Earth.